Woodworking requires accurate squares for every step of a project from machine setup to final assembly. The iGaging bench square set takes the function of a traditional square and adds features that every woodworker should take advantage of to increase speed and precision in their woodworking. Each iGaging bench square set includes a 4-inch and 7-inch square, a mechanical pencil with extra leads, and a fitted storage case to keep everything safe and organized. Both squares feature a CNC machined stainless steel triangular shaped blade, giving you both 90 and 45 degree angles, perfect for machine setup and joinery layout. The anodized aluminum bases are offset, producing accurate 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch marking edges, perfect for finding center and laying out tenons on 3/4 inch stock. Both sides of each square are laser marked with precision rule and protractor scales, accurate to within 1.5 thousandths of an inch. The blades also feature precision cutouts at critical locations for easy marking of common angles and offsets from the base. The perforations provide quick parallel marking every 1/8 of an inch for fast and repeatable results. The 4-inch square is perfect for smaller projects and machine setup, and the 7-inch square shines on larger projects and materials. Don't let worn out or poor quality squares hold your projects back. Upgrade to the iGaging bench square set and add precision to your work.